Hi madam, I'm Tharshanan Kanagasabai. Today I'm here going to discuss about Workplace Action Research Project 1, which is individual assignment. So my research project title is Safety Management and Risk Control in Coal Mining Industry. Chapter 1. The introduction for Chapter 1. The goal of mining companies in 21st century is to produce efficiently, operate their mines economically responsible in a sustainable way and above all safety. Mining conditions vary widely from deposit to deposit, so using different mining methods for different deposits poses a number of inherent risks and associated risks. But there are some basic principles that must be addressed to ensure optimal performance. The underground coal mining industry is more diverse and dynamic than ever. Industrialization has been driven by coal. Internationally, it is the most widely used energy source in coal power generation and an essential import property for most steel production. The importance of coal is evidenced by its unprecedented growth in consumption and production, especially in Asia. Strictly underground coal mines have been one of the most dangerous activities related to labor safety health. Mine safety needs to be concerned with the maintenance of the health and well-being of everyone who works or visits the mine. Employees, contractors and visitors arriving at the mining site must be able to return home at the end of the day at least in the same health condition as where they arrived. Mine safety needs to embrace the concept and the responsibility of the entire mining operation from the first planning process to the last day of mining operation. Common cause of many safety management issues is the weak implementation of the system, and the implementation of management issues is the weak regulation and procedures has been ignored, altered or most severely violated. Some employees are accustomed to work based on experience without complying with safety rules and regulation for saving energy. Now, what's the problem statement of my research project? In chapter 1, what are the problem statement is what are the competitive strategies and technologies that can prevent workers from the exposure of the hazard in coal mining industry. So next, what's the research objective? To protect underground coal mine workers from the workplace hazard and to prevent or mitigate work-related injuries or illness, health disorders or accidents. Next research objective is to discuss the risk control technology that can support the occupational safety and health management in an efficient, effective way. Now, what is the limitation of the study? This study mainly focusing on health and safety hazards of workers in coal mine industry but not focusing on overall safety in coal mine industry. Some terms and definition. Coal mine. What is coal mine? An excavation in the earth for extracting coal. What is active monitoring? The ongoing activities which check the hazard identification, risk assessment and the appropriate prevention and protective measure as well as arrangement to implement the occupational safety and health. Contractor, a person or enterprise providing services to an employer at the facility in accordance with national laws and regulation or with agreed specification terms and condition. Next definition is exposure limit, an exposure level specified or recommended by a competent authority to limit injury health. The terms adopted by the competent authority vary from country to country and include the administrative control levels. Next is what is hazard? The inherent potential to cause illness or injury. Next definition is hazard identification, the systematic process of identifying hazard in the workplace. And the next is incident, an unsafe occurrence arising out or in the course of work where no personal injury is caused. Now, next jump to chapter 2. the literature review. About the literature review, Lu Si Saw Kun Chow and studied on occupational safety and health management and risk control technology in coal mines. What they studied is where research was mainly about the methods and risk management techniques for coal mines, including routine management of occupational health and safety risk, identification and assessment, early warning, and dynamic monitoring risk. Their study showed that the currently developed coal mine occupational safety healthcare risk control technology and related software have been standardized to support coal mine occupational health and safety management. Their study showed that the currently developed coal mine occupational safety and healthcare risk control technology and related software have been standardized to support coal mine occupational health and safety. Next, literature review by Helbing Wang and Zhu Li studied on safety management in coal mining process. In their study, they indicated that effective supervision of the coal mine production process of great significance to protect the safety of coal mine workers. They studied about strategies of coal enterprises by predicting and analyzing in advance the modernization of coal enterprise management can be better achieved. Their study started with analysis of the problem in the coal mine safety management, and their study briefly explained about the countermeasures and corresponding measures for the coal mining safety management, where they believe that it is vital to enhance safety awareness, ensure the safety production. And next, last literature review by Bruce Abel-White research on mine safety through appropriate combination of technology and management practice. His paper provided a review on the importance of such an approach in providing a strategy for mine safety by achieving an appropriate blend of both technology and risk-based mining practices. He also briefly explained on risk-based approach to mining, which is about the use of risk management techniques. And now let's move on to the chapter 3, the data collection method process for this title. The data collection method process is risk identification and assessment. It relates to risk information, risk potential, accident, and human misconduct in coal mining production. It introduces the method of risk identification and assessment in terms of potential accident. Risk identification is generally based on empirical and system safety methods. Asset information during coal mining should be collected in real time by dedication safety inspectors. Development of occupational safety and health management in risk control for coal mines is throughout the entire process of occupational safety and hygiene management of coal mines. It's necessary to communicate and process a large amount of information. This problem can be well resolved by computers and computer networks. And lastly, the conclusion is coal mine occupational health and safety management should be based on scientific methods and means and should be make full use of information technology and network technology. This paper studied coal mine occupational health and safety management and risk management technology, design an equivalent online coal mine occupational health and safety management at risk system. Studies showed that coal mine occupational health and safety management and risk control technology system support software promote coal mine occupational health and safety management system. Thank you.